today's, let me fix the lighting in here really quick. There you go. So today's video is going to be a Ipsy unbagging. I just got this. It was sent to my old house, and so my parents brought it to me. I kind of just sneak peek, just not inside the bag, but just like I just went like this, and that was it. So I don't know what the theme is. If you're watching this video, then you already know what Ipsy is. But in case you don't, I will put the link of Ipsy in the description in the bottom, so you guys can check it out. $10 a month, and you get 5 products in your theme bag of the month. So this is what it looks like, and it is like a light orange yellow. Right away, I don't really like the bag, only because I don't like the feel of it. I've said this before. I like bags that are like vinyl, like plasticky, because it's easier to clean your makeup if you spill anything in it. So right away, I don't like the bag. But these bags, you can use them to put, like, you know, your monthly things or whatever little gadgets in here, like chargers or whatever that you're going to be using. But for makeup, personally, I don't like the way the material is. So I'm going to pull the card out and see what the theme is. It just says confidence level selfie with no filter, and that's what the card looks like. And then it has just like little things on there. So the first thing that wasn't in the bag is a brush that I got. I love brushes, and actually lately Ipsy has been sending me brushes in my bags for the past few months, which I'm not complaining because I love brushes. You can never have enough brushes. This is by Crown, and it has like a little grip right here. I like the shiny black. I just like the way it looks. And then the breath, it feels really nice and soft, and I really do like this little grayish color on the brush itself. So that is a plus. Again, I love getting brushes in my vanity. I love getting brushes in my Ipsy. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the first thing that I pull out, and this is a matte waves texture lotion. Let's see. Apply bronzer while glide into damp hair, defining waves and natural texture as you go. Apply bronzer while your air dries. Okay, so this is for your hair, which I didn't even know that, and it looks like this. So I'm always loving to try like new things for my hair, just because I do dye it, I do bleach it and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So next thing I'm going to pull out is by Pearlie's Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. It's a lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshing and moisturizing. Oily combination or normal. Oh, that is so cool. So this is for your skin, which I'm excited to try because I like watermelon. I'm always looking for something new for like moisturize my face and stuff. I mean, I have oily skin, but I'm always looking for stuff that is for oily in combination. And then the next thing I'm going to pull out is a Kat Von D locket, which that is freaking awesome because I love Kat Von D. This is a concealer, so I am excited. This is a medium 19 kohl, which I think that would look pretty cool on my skin. Hopefully it'll work out. If not, then I can just give it to Destiny because she is a little darker than skin tone on me. But it's so cute. I can't wait to try. Even if it doesn't match, at least I can try like the consistency and see how I like how it feels and stuff. Where it brings me to test out like the full product. And then last but not least is Thrive Cosmetics. It says cause, like the word. Let's see. Okay. Anyway, and so this is a liquid lash extension mascara, which is awesome because I'm always looking for new mascaras. I have not tried this, and I believe this is the one I've been hearing really good things about this company, which is awesome. So I cannot wait to try this mascara. I'm always looking for mascaras to see how they feel and whatnot. So yeah, honestly, I like what was in my bag. To be honest, the only thing I don't like, again, is I don't really like the bag itself, but I just usually put the bags underneath. Like, I have like a little drawer, and I just put all my bags in there, and so when I need a bag to take, or the girls need to take something in, or they travel, especially Destiny's, and Destiny's going to be traveling with like the football, and you know, for football games and stuff, she can just put like little things that she needs. That is so cool. I actually like everything. If I have to say my favorite product, it's probably gonna have to be these two. I'm so excited to try these two. So it's both of them actually. But I actually do like the products, and yeah, that is about it. I know this is like a fast video, but it's like straight to the point. And actually I'm on my way, because you can see my dance mom shirt. Jesse's gonna perform for, it's like a Meet the Coyotes, where we're from, where the mascot is, so it's like a football and performance stuff. So I'm excited. So I'm all like dance mommed out, and my whole family is as well. So anyway, I need to go, and I hope you guys like this video. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified for future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. I'm all orangey out. Bye.